Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as expected, DXY US dollar index is going for correction. We have already discussed in our previous videos that overall the chart of dollar index is bullish both technically and fundamentally. As a result, any sort of red candles or series of red candles will just be a correction, because for any chart, whether the market is in uptrend, downtrend, any market, okay, retracement, pullback are all very important. They are part of the game. So right now we can see that dollar index is just going for correction. So my dear friends, there's a high chance that it will be taking support around a 50 moving average, because we can clearly see that market is in beautiful uptrend taking support around the moving averages. So the first support will be around 103.50 to 103.60. This is the first support. In case market breaks also, then we have immediate support around the next moving average, which is the 100 moving average. 103.00 to 103.10. So let's see whether DXY takes support or not, because this will be very important. And if you look at the economic calendar, we can see that today we have a news, but this is not a major event. The market is mostly waiting for the jobs data. Yes, NFP, that is coming on Friday. You can see here gold gained support from a dip in US dollar bond yields. Gold prices gained on Tuesday as the dollar and treasury yield retreated from recent highs ahead of crucial US inflation and jobs data this week that could define the outlook for interest rates. My dear friends, gold gained support from a dip in US dollar. Keep in mind, this dip is just a correction, not a trend reversal. And if we look at the US bond chart also, then you can see that this is the chart of US government bonds, and the US government bond has also reached the support of the 100 moving average here. Why it is the support? Because we can clearly see the previous early also around in the month of August, when the government bonds dip, the same moving average, the 100 moving average, provided support to the market, and right now market is standing at the same support level. Moreover, we also have previous support around this area, so there's a good chance that US government bonds will try to bounce from this here. Okay, see, gold was going up because of dip on the US government bonds and DXY. And DXY is right now approaching the 50 moving average, and US government bonds is already standing at the 100 moving average. So yes, there is a possibility that we will get to see a bounce from here. If that happens, then obviously we will get to see few red candles on the chart of gold. So now let's look at the chart of gold. My dear friends, gold is standing at 1925 right now. Yesterday, we discussed about the selling opportunity around this area. In a pro trader group, we took a sell around 1925 level. Okay, and we got the profit. And today also we can see that right now market is standing at 1925. But today I will not recommend any sell position around this level here. We can clearly see that market has formed a double top here, but still we should avoid any sell position around this area. And the reason is that you can clearly see gold is no longer forming same lows here. Gold is, in simple words, gold is forming higher lows. Okay, and formation of higher lows is not a good sign of a reversal. Formation of higher lows, formation of higher highs usually indicate that market will break the previous high here. And you can see that more or less the market is also bullish, so there is a good chance that we will get to see gold crossing 1925-26 level, and will be heading towards the next resistance of 1930. Okay, confused? Let me repeat again. Gold was in a range 1925, 1921, 23, that particular level was the resistance for gold, and at the bottom we had 1903, 1904 as the support. This was the range of gold. But I told you guys yesterday that 1921 to 24 is acting as resistance. Market already tested the level 3 times, so we should be a little bit careful. But still, we got the selling opportunity yesterday for the 4th time. We made some money, but again we can see that gold is going up again. But this time we need to be careful and we need to avoid this thing, because see, no market always stay inside a range. Every market at one point goes for a breakout or breakdown, and here we can see that it has the indication, okay, of a breakout. Here it is indicating to us that the resistance is weakening and market is about to move higher, and we are getting the signal because of the formation of the higher lows in the market. Higher lows signify that new buyers are joining. As a result, we need to be careful with our sell position at resistance. So today, where should we go for a sell then? I think today we will get sell position around 1930 that we have already discussed in our previous videos. Why 1930? Because of previous price rejection around the area. If the same move continues, then obviously market will be exhausted once market will hit 1930 level, and the sellers around the market will push the market towards the downside. If that happens, okay, we can look for a 40 pips sell position. Personally, I'll go for 40 pips. Sometimes I think that I should change my name from Trader Next Door to 40 pips next door. So we can look for a sell around 1930 level if market reverses 1930, 1931 level, and the second resistance will be around 1935 to 1936. I have already shown you guys 1935-36 because of the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, you can see here, this is the Fibonacci. The color has changed. Okay, my dear friends, the color has changed. I am extremely sorry. Okay. Yeah, see, we are drawing Fibo from the highest point to the lowest point to find out the resistances, and you can see that around 1936 level, 1936, 1937, we have Fibo 50% retracement level. Okay, I'll have to change the color for tomorrow. So these are the two resistances, 1930 and 1935-36, where we can look for a sell position. 1935-36 seems to be a better level where we can look for a sell of at least 50 to 60 pips. 1930 is not a very strong resistance, but still we can look for a 40 pip sell position if market reverses, if we see some sort of reversal from that particular area. Okay, and my dear friends, one thing I would like to mention here is that overall the support levels that we have been discussing, okay, are still the same. 1903, 1904, I don't need to write also, okay, because they are so old. 1903, 1904, then we have 1899 to 1900 level. These are the two support levels on the chart of gold, and they are still present. I think market will get the required support. 1903, 1904 was a minor support. Okay, we were skeptical, but right now I think that 1903 will also act as a very good support for the market if market reverses also. And one thing I would like to add here is that if market reverses from this particular point here, okay, because we can see market is also forming a double top kind of a pattern. See, market changes from time to time. So if market reverses from here, okay, if market doesn't go to 1930 and reverses from here, you can look for a support around 1914 as well. This is not for swing traders, this is for hardcore day traders who are hardcore scalpers. Around 1914 to 1915 level, there can be a quick bounce in the market. Why? Because we can see that around 1915 level, we have Fibo 50% retracement level and the 100 moving average. But one thing you need to focus here is that, okay, I'm drawing Fibo from here till here. So to work 1914, 1915 level, market needs to reverse from here. So I'm just assuming that if market is reversing from here, then where will I get the support level? I will get the first support around 1914, 1915 level. How much you can expect? Same, 40 pips next door. Okay, and we also have a minor support around 1917 because of Fibo 38.2% retracement level. But 1915, 1914 seems to be a better level. So more or less the levels are still very much the same. Okay, there has been little changes, so be careful. Okay, try to stick to the levels. Your trades will be much better. And my dear friends, as you guys already know, that the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. And the best part is that after the 3 days workshop, you will also get support for 1 month. Everything is mentioned on the website. The link is in the description. You can see that the topics are mentioned beautifully here. If you feel that the workshop will be beneficial for you, you are most welcome to join. And these are the topics that I'll be discussing after the workshop on the weekly sessions, because we will be having a support for 1 month after the workshop. And you can see that these are the benefits that you will be receiving in the 1 month. Don't get confused, the workshop is just a part of the Pro Trader program, and I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And I also have a questionnaire so that you can understand that whether the workshop will be beneficial for you or not. I forgot to mention that this workshop is not for complete beginners. It's only for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. Okay, and my dear friends, the best part is the fees. Why? Because you can see that the fees is very low, probably the lowest in the whole world. You can see 3 days workshop with 1 month support is only $15, rupees 1000 for Indians, and these are the benefits that you will be receiving during the 1 month. And those who are looking for a longer support, because trading is a journey, it takes time. If you're looking for personal sessions, then you can sign up for semi-annual programs, which is also very affordable, only $65 for 6 months with 2 personal sessions with me. And you can also sign up for lifetime. If you love my work, if you like to stay connected with me, our community, then you can sign up for the $125 only for lifetime, rupees 8000 for Indians, and you get 6 personal sessions with me. I charge a nominal fees. Okay, right after the payment, okay, you just need to WhatsApp to this number. I'll be adding you to the groups. Okay, so my dear friends, that's all. And these are the dates here. You can see here Hindi classes 6, 7 and 8 of September. This is the timing. And English classes 11, 12 and 13th of September. Feel free to check out. The link is in the description. And as I always say, my dear friends, we are traders, not gamblers. So be careful with your positions. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye-bye. Take care.